Hi, this is Dustin with Headset Advisor. Are you looking to upgrade your Plantronics CS540 headset? If you're viewing this video, then you're probably interested in upgrading your Plantronics CS540 wireless headset, the model in front of me here. This is a very nice headset, very popular, widely used throughout many different industries. This is one of, if not the most popular selling headset of all time. Now, some people might be wanting to consider upgrading their headset because it's broken, maybe physically broken, maybe has some issues like echo, static, different things like that. Maybe the battery life is not lasting the entire day, or it's just getting a little bit old and you're looking for something new that might be more suitable with today's technology. This particular headset is designed for a desk phone only. So some people are now looking for headsets that not only connect to desk phones, but also connect to computers for computer-based applications like soft phones, for video calls, for listening to YouTube videos and all the other things that you would do on a computer, whereas this model is not going to allow you to do that. If it's just a battery issue, perhaps, and you like the headset, it works fine for your needs, but you just need to increase the battery life, we will have a link to the battery for this headset in the description below. Feel free to use coupon code YouTube in all caps to get a discount on the battery. Now, if you are looking to upgrade your headset, then the headsets here that I have in front of me are excellent options that a lot of our customers that have the CS540 decide to go with. Keep in mind, we do have a trade-in program. So on this model, you can get anywhere between $20 to $40, just depending on the particular time that you inquire. And you can apply that credit toward the purchase of one of these other headsets. So feel free to go ahead and inquire through a link in the description about the trade-in program. Now, getting into the basic overview of these headsets, this is the Discover D904 here, and this is the Discover Adapt 30. The Discover D904 will be a similar wearing style. It can be worn on the ear or over the head in the same way that the CS540 can. So that's great if you like that on the ear wearing style. It also connects to desk phones and computers. So you will get the same desk phone connectivity, but you'll be able to use this on your computer-based applications. Again, soft phone calls, your video meetings, YouTube video listening, things like that. In addition, this one has a nice feature that it has a 24-hour talk time because it comes with two batteries. One is always being charged, and it is hot swappable, meaning if the headset battery is dying while you're on a call, you can simply pop in the new battery live on the call and continue going on the call without it dropping. So you never have to worry about battery life whatsoever with this model. And it comes with a 3-year warranty, which is 3 times as much as the Plantronics headset here. So all around, that's a fantastic option. If you want to see a more in-depth review on this headset, we have other videos about the Discover D904. Now, this one, again, is the Adapt 30, Discover Adapt 30. It can connect to a desk phone and a computer, just like the Discover D904 can. So it will be flexible to your desk phone and also computer application needs. Again, soft phone, video meetings, listening to videos, podcasts, music, whatever the case would be. You can do that with this headset. It also does come with that 3-year warranty, so you're fully covered. And it's got a little bit of a different wearing style here. You'll see that it's got the over-the-head wearing style, very standard headset, but it has the unique ability to be converted from a single ear to a dual ear headset, just like that. And the great benefit of being able to take it from a single to a dual is that you don't have to select one or the other. Your needs might change, or your environment might change. For example, you might be making calls in a quiet environment at some point, and you want one ear open, or maybe you want to hear what's going on around you. You can have the single ear headband. If you want to block out surrounding noise and focus in more on calls, or you'd like stereo sound in your headset, then you can pop on the dual ear headset. And you saw I just did that in 5 seconds or less. So it's very convenient and unique to any other headset on the market. So if you like the over-the-head wearing style, then you definitely want to take a look at the Discover Adapt 30. It's a fantastic option. So if you have any questions about the compatibility of these headsets to your specific phone or your computer-based applications, feel free to leave a comment below or give us a call, send a email, or even visit our live chat, and we'd be glad to make sure that these are the right fit, or if these aren't, that you get another model that is best for you. So I appreciate you watching. If you could do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe, it really would help us. Thanks a lot. Until next time.